Hey, those burgers look pretty good.
So hey Alex, how's it going? You having fun? Cause I am cooking these burgers. You know it's not fun? Waxing your chest.
Can I just have a little bite? Just a little nibble?
Tax season's coming up, and the time to do it is so unordinary. April 15th.
It was really hot. Ooh, I can just feel the sweat just dripping down.
My kid just had a soccer game, you know, and the ref was being a meanie head. I mean, I lost it at him when he called that out of bounds, when it didn't go out of bounds, but he's getting paid, I swear.
Burgers.
Hey, joke time. The inventor of the knock-knock joke really deserves a Nobel Prize.
Wow, that was a funny joke.
Here's another one. What do you call half a face? Nobody knows.
Oh, those burgers. I need to have a bite of those burgers.
So that happened with my job recently. You know, I'm a health inspector.
You just gotta have those burgers.
How's it going, kids?
Good!
Kids, am I right?
Burgers.